While the BISSELL pulls out stubborn pet stains, the Tineco's heated drying leaves carpets barely damp. Who truly wins? First up, the heavy-duty Rug Doctor. Number 5, the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 Commercial Carpet Cleaner with Pet Cleaner Bundle, best for large homes or frequent pet messes. Its deep injection spray and triple-action vibrating brush deliver aggressive soil removal, while the 2-gallon tanks reduce refill stops during whole-room jobs. Owners commonly praise the strong suction and solid build, noting it handles embedded traffic dirt and recurring pet stains with ease. A pet-sitting business owner highlighted its reliability for daily messes. The main drawback is size and weight. The commercial-style unit is bulky and less maneuverable, and the lack of an integrated upholstery tool means a separate accessory is needed. At around $600, it sits at the high end of the market, but the capacity and durability can offset the upfront cost for heavy users. Choose this if you need professional-grade performance and don't mind the larger footprint. Number 4, the Tineco CARPET ONE Smart Carpet Cleaner, ideal for users who value lightweight convenience and automated cleaning. The eye loop sensor reads mess intensity and adjusts suction and water flow, while the heated wash system maintains about 104 degrees F wash temperature, and the dry-only mode blows heated air up to 167 degrees F for faster drying. Owners consistently note easy assembly, manageable weight, and good results on carpets and area rugs. Many specifically commend the heated drying for leaving carpets barely damp. Drawbacks include relatively small clean and dirty water tanks that require frequent refilling and occasional Wi-Fi connectivity issues that some owners found frustrating. Priced around $350, it sits in the premium segment but offers smart features that can reduce manual effort. Opt for this model if you prefer a compact, tech-forward cleaner and can tolerate smaller tank capacity. Number 3, the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner, a solid choice for budget-aware pet owners who still want multiple brush actions. 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes agitate dirt from several angles, and heat force technology aims to speed drying. True MAX recovery tank reduces empty tank stops, while auto mix meters detergent automatically. Owners frequently praise strong stain removal and easy post-clean maintenance. Noting the removable cleaning components simplify rinsing, one pet owner highlighted quicker drying thanks to effective water extraction. The most cited drawback is bulk. Several users describe the unit as heavy to maneuver, and a few report a leak or a tank that is awkward to empty without a dedicated drain. At around $200, it offers strong performance for its price point. Choose this if you need versatile scrubbing power without a premium price tag. Number 2, the CarpetXpert HairPro StainStriker EX301, suited for homes with heavy pet hair and stubborn stains. HairPro technology captures wet and dry pet hair while reducing brush roll wrap, and the dual formula system mixes cleaning agents during use for targeted odor removal. Owners commonly praise strong stain removal on older carpets and straightforward assembly, with dry mode leaving carpets damp for only a few hours. The unit also includes a built-in handheld spot cleaner and a storage tray for easy tool organization. Drawbacks include its 27-pound weight, which can cause shoulder fatigue during long sessions, and a small water tank that may need frequent refills. One reviewer noted a 3 to 4 inch non-cleaning gap on the right side of the head. Priced around $300, it balances powerful hair pickup with a moderate price. Opt for this model if you prioritize pet hair capture and don't mind a heavier machine. Number 1, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro plus 3588F, the top pick for balanced cleaning power and convenience. Dual dirt lifter power brushes provide 2 brush rolls that scrub deep into embedded pet stains, while the clean shot pretreater targets concentrated spots before the main cycle. Max Clean mode tackles heavy soils, and Express Clean promises carpets dry in about 30 minutes. Owners commonly praise strong suction and effective pickup of dirt, dander, and old stains. The removable brush roll cover and antimicrobial Fresh Start brush rolls help keep odor down. The main drawback is the short power cord, which can limit whole room reach, and the mixed solution tank makes a plain water rinse less convenient. At around $240, it offers premium features at a mid-range price. Choose this if you want strong stain removal without the bulk of a commercial unit. Our top pick is the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus for its balanced power and ease of use. If you need more capacity, the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 delivers deep cleaning but at a price. Prices vary, so check the links below.